Here's 4 things I would tell a 4 years ago me when I first started my freelance copywriting business. Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, freelance copywriter and copywriting coach. And 4 years ago, I started writing sales copy for clients, and it was rough. I mean, building a new business isn't a cakewalk. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes that people don't think about. But here's what I would tell myself 4 years ago, looking back from today's perspective. You're gonna wish you started sooner. You're capable of so much more than you ever dreamed. You're gonna meet the most amazing people ever and make friends for life. You're gonna find your calling in helping other freelance mamas create businesses that help them generate income from home without losing their freedom or their families. So if you're thinking about starting a freelance copywriting business, or you're in the middle of the thick of it, stumbling around, trying to build your client list, trying to get referrals and testimonials, and it just seems like you're hitting your head against the wall, remember, 4 years from now, even 1 year from now, you're gonna be so glad you did. If you want some help and are looking for a place where you can belong, follow me for more.